Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse videos on CapCut. To get started, go to your CapCut application. Select New Project and then go to your gallery, import one video that you want to reverse on CapCut. Click Add, and then this is the video that I'm going to reverse on CapCut. Just simply tap and select the video, and at the bottom you will see some tools. Find the reverse tool. Once you find the reverse tool, just click it and then wait for it to do its thing. And now the reverse is applied. And now let's check the video. The video is already reversed. So that's it. And if you want to reverse the video, just follow those steps. I hope this helps.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.